The Meta Quest 3's 128GB. Unlock immersive worlds in your own home. Imagine stepping into your favorite video games, watching movies like you're right in the action, and hanging out with friends without ever leaving your living room. That's what it's like to wear a virtual reality headset that blends digital worlds with your physical space. The Meta Quest 3's 128GB is more than just a gadget, it's a game changer. With its cutting-edge graphics, lightning-fast load times, and unparalleled freedom of movement, this VR headset is about to revolutionize the way you experience entertainment, socializing, and even exercise. Let's dive in and explore some of the standout features that make the Meta Quest 3's 128GB truly special. First up, we have the incredible gaming experience. With its 2x graphical processing power, courtesy of the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, you can enjoy next-gen graphics that will transport you to new dimensions. No more waiting for games to load or feeling like your PC is slowing down. With the Meta Quest 3's, you're in the action from the get-go. But gaming is just the beginning. The Meta Quest 3's also includes a suite of accessibility features designed to make VR experiences accessible to everyone. That means you can play games with friends and family without worrying about getting tangled up in cords. No more tripping over cables or missing out on fun because your headset got in the way. And speaking of flexibility, let's talk about wireless freedom. With no wires holding you back, you can move around your living room with total freedom. Want to dance like nobody's watching? No problem. Need to grab a snack while still immersed in your game? Easy peasy. But what really sets the Meta Quest 3's apart is its incredible battery life. We're talking up to 2+ hours of non-stop playtime. That's more than enough time to finish even the most epic gaming sessions or binge watch an entire season of your favorite show. And did we mention the camera? The dual RGB color cameras on the Meta Quest 3's bring you full-color, high-fidelity pass-through experiences. Imagine being able to see your real-world surroundings while still immersed in a virtual world. It's like having two worlds at once. Now, let's talk about storage. With 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of room for all your favorite games, apps, and experiences. But what really gets me excited is the exclusive bundle that comes with this amazing headset. The Gorilla Space Program suit and helmet, plus 2,000 shiny rocks. It's like a whole new level of immersion into the world of VR gaming. And finally, when you purchase your Meta Quest 3's 128GB, you'll get instant access to over 100 games. That's right, just by buying this incredible headset, you'll unlock a 3-month trial that will give you access to a growing library of games, monthly drops, and more. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to experience virtual reality like never before with the Meta Quest 3's 128GB.